Trafft provides a range of options for sharing your booking link. You can send it via email, generate a QR code, share it on social media, embed the booking form on your website, and more. Additionally, Trafft allows you to share the booking link for a specific service, employee, or location. Here's a quick guide on how to do it in just a few steps. Click on the Share Booking button visible on all Trafft pages. Select the Share Link option. Specify the details to generate the booking link you need. For example, let's say you want to send a booking link to a customer for a check-in appointment. You can use a date range or select a specific time slot, such as March 20th, 2024 at 11:30 a.m. As a backup, you can include an alternative date in case the initial option doesn't meet the customer's needs. By doing so, you'll prevent unnecessary back-and-forth communication and save time. Additionally, you have the option to designate the employee providing the service or leave this field blank. The same flexibility applies to the location selection. Click Next to generate your link. You'll receive the link along with the shortened version and the option to set the link to expire after the first booking is complete.